Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Quant price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $110.9 mark, which is now acting as support. And at the time of this recording, we have just seen a massive bearish candlestick to the lower side in a move that has now given us one more new low at around the $112.3 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 2, and at the time of this recording we have a new low in that wave 2 at around the $112.2 mark. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave at around the $133.2 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And before I give you my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, allow me to first give you a brief recap of what has been happening in the formation of this wave 2, where I was able to give you a target area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and I was able to come up with a target area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $120 mark and the $112 mark, and it is within this blue target area down here that I was expecting to see the low for that second wave. And today we have seen a massive breakdown to the lower side in a move that has now fully maximized that target area. And having fully maximized that target area, there are high chances that we are going to see a reversal from the prices that we are trading within and also within this blue target area and start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And if that is the case, I can now give you a target area in the formation of that wave 3 using the new low by connecting the Fibonacci's, that is the trend based Fibonacci, from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $157.7 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting Quant to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, we need to note that we need to continue holding within this blue target area, and in case we are able to close a 4-hour candlestick or maybe the 1-hour candlestick to the lower side of this blue target area, there are high chances that we are going to see further breakdown to the lower side. And in case such a move plays out and we lose our key area of support at around the $110.9 mark, that could possibly take us back to around the $100.3 mark. And in case such a move plays out, then there are high chances that we are going to see one more leg down, maybe at around the $94.4, below the $94.4 mark within this red target area down here. That is giving me the long-term scenarios. But as long as we are holding within this blue target area and also above our key area of support at around the $110.9 mark, the trend for Quant is still to the upper side. So that is what we can expect here on the short-term scenarios. And before I give you the more bearish scenario, allow me to first give you the long-term outlook here on the Quant chart, where you can see that after seeing our bear market low down there at around the $40.1 mark, we started that 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $229 mark and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, which bottomed out within this red target area down here. And having seen the low for that second wave, the next move that I expected was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $398.6 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Quant to do on the long-term scenarios. But in case we lose our blue target area down here, continue losing other key areas of support, then there are high chances that Quant is going to unlock an even more bearish scenario, where we could get back into this red target area in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2 and get one more new low within this red target area, which lies between the $135.1 mark and the $82 mark. And in case such a move plays out and we get one more new low, then we can expect the start of our impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also on the long-term scenarios. Continue watching our blue target area, which lies between the $120.8 mark and the $112 mark. And as long as we are holding within that blue target area, there are high chances of seeing a reversal and continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And that is all for this video.